Well, 12:29, halfway through this noon hour, and still raining in some areas of the valley. The areas that got hit with the bigger rain this morning kind of getting a bit of a break now in most spots, but we'll show you here in a second. But we do have a flare up with some showers and storms. Heavy rain across northwestern Willisey County, moving northward even to northeast Hidalgo County. More storms in Brownsville. Remember, entire areas under a flash flood watch, meaning flooding could occur. The flood warnings, we'll show you again, confined mostly to areas of Cameron County, western Cameron County into Hidalgo County. Could see maybe some flood warnings eventually in western Willisey County if that rain keeps on going. So again, we'll zoom in. Here again are the areas that were hit hardest yesterday around McAllen and to the east, especially around Weslaco, Mercedes, Donna hit hard today. McAllen, Mission, Alton, most areas around that area in southwestern Hidalgo County taking the brunt of the heavy rain. But you see the rain has kind of dried up for the most part there over the southwestern Hidalgo County. But we zoom in a bit more and you see there's still some rain coming down. That rainfall rate with this one shower moving through is kind of heavy. Rainfall rate at the heaviest point about 2/3 of an inch per hour. So if that rain would sit over you for an hour, you would get about 2/3 of an inch of rain. But it is rolling along. Keep in mind, though, many of these places have already seen at least a good 4 or 5 inches of rain. Farther to the north, there's one shower north of Elsa that came through areas of southern Hidalgo County, is moving to the north. Also some heavier rain moving through northern Hidalgo County. And there again are the two areas mainly to still watch out for. We have a flash flood watch for everywhere. This area is actually a separate flood advisory through this afternoon across southeastern areas of Hidalgo County, western Cameron County. Flood warning. This is the flood emergency warning where the flooding is most severe today in areas of western Hidalgo County with a lot of flooding and closed roads around Mission, McAllen, Farr, Edinburgh, and Alton. You can see right now, again, here's this flash flood watch is for everywhere. This aerial flood warning is the one that continues for western areas of Cameron County, southeast Hidalgo County. Even though it's not raining much there right now, this is kind of continued from yesterday because we still have a lot of roads closed, a lot of saturated ground. If even you get maybe an inch of rain, it could really create flooding problems again in these areas. And we did have one quick little moving thunderstorm go through within the last hour or so. Some of the heaviest rain right now in Cameron County. This thunderstorm blew up just before noon, moving its way through Brownsville and to the north now, right up highway or I-69E and US 77 toward the Harlingen area eventually. But the rainfall rate in the heaviest part of that storm, over an inch per hour. So this is a little heavy burst of rain coming, and this is moving to the north across areas of northern Cameron County eventually. But heavy rain here. That's why you see a flood advisory there just popped up until 1:15 today. So again, heavy rain moving to the north across Cameron County. You see a lot of lightning as well. This thunderstorm could eventually track through Harlingen and areas of north central Cameron County, and more rain developing on the south end of that on the bottom of your screen there, right over about near the southmost area and around Brownsville. Then the heavy rain still in Willisey County. This area, no warnings there yet, but very heavy rain just passing by near Raymondville and to the north, and then to the north into southern Kennedy County and northeast Hidalgo County. So again, flood watch continues for all the valley through 7 p.m. You've seen a lot of pictures, a lot of video like this with cars and stuck in the roadways. You always want to avoid that. Don't try to drive through flooded roadways. It is just too dangerous. You don't know how deep the road is, and if you get, or the water is, and then if you get stuck in there, water keeps on rising, you can't get out, and bad situation, of course. Now, Doppler estimated rainfall. This is last 24 hours, and the areas that really got hit the last 24 hours from about Mission and Alton, you see over 7 inches of rain. We had even measurements around about 7.5 inches of rain overnight in that area, all the way up through western areas of Hidalgo County to Citrus City and toward Starr County is some of the big rain. Again, that was rain just last night. Don't take into account the rain that fell already the previous days. The next 7 days, first 1570 forecast. I think today is the last day for big rain. Tomorrow there might be a couple of showers left, but the moisture really gets choked off, and the weekend is looking dry and hot for the most part. Highs in the 90s. There might be 1 or 2 sea breeze type showers or storms beginning Sunday through Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but the big rain is done after today. So we'll be tracking more rain this afternoon, though, in your first 1-5 forecast here on Channel 5 News at noon.